Okay, hey guys. So today I'm just gonna be finishing my chessboard. I already started a little bit. I've just done a couple of coats. Um, all I'm doing is rubbing it on with a rag, kind of like the way that French polish is done, but it's just a little simpler. I'm not really making the whole dabber, and I'm putting it on pretty thick, so I'm not like gonna spend a lot of time going over it again and again. But yeah, and I'm also working on the top of this at the same time, just so I can get them both done. It's pretty good, actually. I like how smooth it's getting. It's very nice. Yeah. So right now I'm just taking off some of the high points using a razor. It's kind of like a cabinet scraper. I have one back here. It's basically just or a card scraper. It's basically just a piece of metal with a burr on the edge, and you can pull it across the surface and it'll take off a very small layer. But just because I don't want to go too deep, I'm using the razor, and it just takes off a tiny little bit, just like any kind of fibers or little like glue bumps. And then I'm also doing around the edge here. I haven't started the sides yet, but I still need to finish the corner.